Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy method to monetize ChatGPT and generate income online without any upfront investment. You can do this from anywhere in the world. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Create a free account. First, open ChatGPT and sign up for a free account. This will give you access to the platform and its features. Step 2. Discover profitable niches. Ask ChatGPT to provide you with the top 20 niches for selling products. Request niches like camping, sports, fishing, travel, etc. ChatGPT will suggest high-potential niches that can generate substantial income. Step 3. Find best products for each niche. Ask ChatGPT to recommend the 15 best products to sell within each niche. It will provide you with a list of products across different categories such as gardening, arts and crafts, home decor, fashion accessories, kitchen supplies, and more. Step 4. Generate product images. To showcase the products, use an AI tool like Midjourney or Blue Willow to generate images. Join one of these platforms and input the product details to create realistic and copyright-free images for your store. Step 5. Set up an affiliate marketing store. Create an account on kit.co, which allows you to build your own store without physically owning any products. Select a niche, such as camping, and start adding the recommended products to your store. Kit.co will handle the affiliate commissions when customers purchase through your store. Step 6. Design eye-catching promotions. Use canva.com to create visually appealing GIF or MP4 videos. Upload the product images generated in Step 4 and add a compelling headline like 6 must-have camping items or tailor it to your specific niche. Download the video and move to the next step. Step 7. Leverage Pinterest for traffic. Take advantage of the traffic on Pinterest by creating an idea pin. Upload the video you created in Step 6 and provide a catchy title and description. Add a link to your kit.co store so interested viewers can make purchases directly. Step 8. Repeat and scale. Continue the process for each niche recommended by ChatGPT, generating images, setting up kit.co stores, and promoting them on Pinterest. By creating multiple stores across different niches, you can maximize your earning potential. Step 9. Build an email list. Create a landing page or opt-in form where visitors can subscribe to your email list. Offer a free resource or exclusive content related to your niche to incentivize signups. Use an email marketing service like MailChimp or ConvertKit to manage your list and send targeted promotions and updates to your subscribers, increasing the chances of generating sales. Step 10. Explore social media marketing. Expand your reach by leveraging social media platforms. Create accounts on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, focusing on the ones most relevant to your niche. Share engaging content, including product highlights, tips, and industry news. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and use relevant hashtags to attract new followers and drive traffic to your kit.co store. That's it. By leveraging the power of ChatGPT, AI image generation tools, kit.co, and Pinterest, you can earn money online through affiliate marketing without investing any money upfront. Remember to stay consistent, optimize your promotions, and scale your efforts to increase your income. Best of luck on your journey. Results may vary, and success depends on various factors, including your efforts, market conditions, and other variables. Always conduct your own research and exercise due diligence before engaging in any online business venture.